to create and use avatars on WhatsApp. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to be telling you how you can create and use avatars on WhatsApp. So this is a new feature on WhatsApp and I'll guide you through all the process if you don't know. So the first thing that you need to do is obviously you need to go onto your WhatsApp, and once you're gonna open it, you simply need to tap on the three dots on the top right corner, and after that you need to go onto the settings. And once you go onto the settings, here you guys can clearly see an option of avatar which says create, edit and profile photo. So also, if I tell you guys that if you're not able to find the avatar option, you simply need to go back and you need to go onto your Play Store and open up WhatsApp and make sure that your WhatsApp is updated to its latest version. And once you have seen this and you have updated it, definitely your avatar section or that option will be available in your WhatsApp settings. So the next thing that I need to tell you guys is how to create it or use it. So basically avatar can be put on your profile photo and also in your chat section, but first we need to create it. So we'll simply tap on avatar, and after you tap on avatar, now you need to click on create your avatar. Now it will load and it will take a few seconds. Now you simply need to tap on get started, and next you need to choose a skin tone for your avatar. Just simply click whatever skin tone you want to, and then they will ask us to choose hairstyle. And then you can also select in the color of hair. For example, I'm gonna choose these hair for this hair for my avatar, and after that I need to select in a hair color for it. Then you can also select in some outfit for your avatar, whatever pleases you. Then you can also select in the body shape you want to. Then there are like eye shape, color, mascara. Then there are eyebrows, nose shape, lipstick, and all of these amazing and different features they are providing us with. So after you have selected all of these features, whatever suits you the most, you simply need to tap on done and then tap on save changes. And once you do this, your avatar is going to be updated, and this is going to be the new a new look of your avatar. Then you need to tap on next. Then after this, you if you need to create a profile photo, you simply will tap on this, and then you can create any profile photo by using any background color. And also there are many shapes, like there is a laughing avatar, then there is a thinking one, also there is the one with just dancing kind of. So you can create any one of this, whatever you like, and then simply tap on tag and that will be chosen as your profile photo. Just like over here you guys can see that my profile photo has been changed to my avatar. Okay, so the next thing that I need to tell you guys is also you will be having this avatar in your chat section. Like if you go over here, for example, like this chart, and after that if you tap on stickers, so and then you tap on the avatar section, so you will be also having all these avatar stickers right in front of you. So that was for today, and that is pretty easily how you can find avatars and create avatars on your WhatsApp. This is a new feature. Let me know in the comment section below if this video helped you guys. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.